Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to view your total call history on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. So the first step is to open the Settings app. In Settings, you want to tap on Mobile Service. Then you want to scroll until you get to this option labeled Call Time. So from here, you should see two sections. You should see Current Period and Lifetime. So lifetime refers to the total call time that you've had ever since you started using your iPhone with that specific SIM card. So even if you had, say for example, an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 7, as long as you're using this same SIM card that you have on your 16, then the lifetime should show all of those minutes. However, current period refers to the current period that you've been using your SIM card since you last reset the statistics. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.